Hello everyone, welcome to this week's weekly beer tasting. I'm your host Andy from Rolling Hops Beer Tours in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, coming at you from our dear friends all the way in the Junction neighborhood. You guessed it, Junction Craft Brewery. Can't say enough about the brewery itself as well as the neighborhood. If you've never been to the Junction, if you've never been to Toronto, Junction is a hidden secret, particularly if you are into craft beer. This is the place to be. Craft breweries popping up all over the place, and the quality is second to none. So we got a small batch coming at you today, and that means they don't really brew this in a routine fashion. This is done as a one-off, probably if you're watching this right now. If you go to Junction, this beer isn't available, unfortunately. Maybe it'll come back, hopefully, because this is a dynamite of an IPA. This is a double IPA, which means it really packs a punch in flavors, in aroma, in taste notes, all of these wonderful combinations, as well as the higher alcohol percentage. So we have 8%. I'm gonna dive right in quick, get a big old gulp. Those tropical, fruity punches just slam you in the mouth. Those wonderful, soft hop bitter notes. Wow. This is a magnificent beer. Just look at that gorgeous color tones to it. Nothing more beautiful, if I do say so myself. Get them while they last. Hopefully, this is a plea to Junction. Make more of this. Wow, it is fantastic. This is so good. So fantastic one, this double IPA. I'm gonna drink this pretty quickly just because that flavor is fantastic. So thanks so much for joining me. Hopefully see you next week for our next weekly beer tasting. And remember, craft beer is here.